DJ Neuendorf has been tattooing down in artisans for 4 years professionally.
Interested in tattoos, they're really cool. You know, I've always drawn and whatnot, so thought I'd see what it was like. Just a really cool job. It's a great job. I don't know, it's fun to do, not too stressful. Blah blah blah, and they're like, you know, we don't do that here, and just like, no, you can't get tattoos.
Neuendorf would eventually like to go into building tattoo machines.
Why would you like to go more towards working on machines rather than actually doing the tattoos?
It's pretty much you can do your own thing, you know, you don't have to really worry about something that someone else's wants. You know, working on metal and doing whatnot. You know, you don't have to do the same kanjis and, you know, sort of things, a lot of things that you do over and over again as a tattoo artist.